we are about to go up there, which is the Temple of Poseidon, and I really don't know much about it, but Danny is going to tell us all about it. Right, Danny?
Right.
Are you telling us now or later?
Later.
Later.
Well, what about?
We're just going to enjoy it now.
Up there.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the walls of the city were right here, and that's what's left of the Temple of Athena. And we're now going to go see the Temple of Apollo. So in 480 BC, Xerxes and the Persians came to Greece, both from the mainland as well as from the sea. And this is the first thing they saw, and the first thing they destroyed before going into Athens. So this was technically just I don't know if you want to call it a castle, a village. It's associated with the city-state of Athens. But this was the first temple to be destroyed by Xerxes and the Persians in 480 BC. Great vacation, Chris.
It has been.
Last day, 24 hours.
Yes.
I'm gonna kiss you.
No, I hope not. I hope not.
This is all sorts of awesome.
Romantic couples, or romantic scholars, or romantic artists, or poets. Okay, no, we don't see the temple that was destroyed. We don't see.
Right, so they
What we see is the version Athenians built in the 5th century BC.
got it. Okay.
Well, half of it. The other half is gone. It's destroyed because of time and.
I'm walking along the marble.
We have corrosion. You can see it.
Yeah.
I mean, the flutes are not sharp as before, but still surviving.
It's pretty awesome.
Hundreds of graffitis. And there is a story.
I'm looking at graffiti from 1813. So you Greeks have been doing graffiti forever.
And it's not only Greek graffiti.
What happened?
Once upon a time.
I love it.
Once
Whenever she
upon
says
a
once
time.
upon a time, it's a great story.
Athens was under the rule of a king called Aegean Sea. Anyway, so Aegean is the king of Athens. His son is Theseus. But they have a war. The Cretans have attacked them. And unfortunately, they lost that war. Two of them, both of them, the moment they saw Theseus, they immediately fell in love with him. But the older one, Ariadne, was brave enough to approach him with a deal. Well, she said, I'll help you finding your exit from the labyrinth. Killing the beast is your job. I'll help you finding your exit as long as you take me with you as your wife. Good deal, said Theseus, and Ariadne brings out from her pockets threads, balls of threads. And that was the solution. So the next day, Theseus enters into the labyrinth. He walks around, the thread is unraveled behind him. He finds the Minotaur, attacks him first, and one strike, he struggles the disc, and then he falls. Back to Athens, and he's approaching Aegean. But they had so Aegean, the king, was waiting for his son here because what else? Other places they wait for someone to come with. The moment he saw the boat coming back in black sails instead of white.
Breeze. Cool breeze, Annie. you think, Uncle Chris?
Hey, we'll see when we get there. 700 BC. First theater in the Western world.
Fact check him. Is that correct? Danny, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Sometimes we need a fact checker for the
Delia.
Tollefson boys.
Delia. Perfect. Delia.
Delia. First theater in the Western world. Maybe in the world. Maybe.
Of the shape. You see how long it is?
Yeah.
It's not an amphitheater. It's like an elliptical. It has an elliptical. And it also uses
Yeah. Yeah, I know you mentioned some of the shape when I said
Oh. Wow. Wow.
stories, horrible stories, the tragedies and the comedies where people did awful things. You remember Medea in Corinth?
Yes.
The one who killed her children because the husband was cheating on her?
Yes.
Exactly. Remember Oedipus Rex, the one who gave the answer to the Sphinx that we
Yes.
saw in Delphi? He got married his mother, they had children together, he gouged, well, extreme situations, horrible stories, but after watching it, after understanding the spectrum of emotions the protagonist has on stage, it's like you, with empathy, it's like you are in his position. And after the end of the festivals, you know what is the middle way. So next time you're angry against your husbands because they cheated on you, you don't kill the children.
Exactly.
That's the crazy stuff. You find another way
yes.
to destroy him.
Yeah.
But not-
Financially, usually.
Whichever way it's accepted, but not to the extremes.
And this
so-
and this theater, arguably the first one, 7th century BC. I'm gonna try to walk down without falling. So this is gonna be today's meditation. We're literally sitting in the first theater in the Western world, arguably the first theater in the world. Drama, comedy, theatrics. This is where it all started, 7th century BC, in homage to Dionysus. Mind blown. Hope you're enjoying this, by the way. This stuff's super cool. It's not lost on me that not everyone gets to see this stuff, so hopefully you guys enjoy these little short films as much as I enjoy making them, because I love to watch this stuff too and get inspired. So I'm gonna shut down and get inspired. This place is awesome.
They said they still do occasional.
Yes, performance.
Oh, Chris, look at this.
What?
Oh, that's a ledge.
Good.
Oh, Mom, I hope I don't fall.
This is how we say it. If you got hurt, I'll kill you.
Safety bars? We don't need any safety bars.
Personal responsibility.
I take full accountability for myself.
Oh, I think you should do it. You can make it. No.
I was. Don't be jealous, man. Don't be jealous of these legs. Don't be jealous of my legs.